I've had the Soundcore Life Q30s for the past few weeks and it was time to show you whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Hello everyone, my name's Mike and here at Tech Commune we uncover tech at home and in video. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. The Soundcore Life Q30s are an update to the Soundcore Life Q20s, which I did a review on if you want to check that out. But Soundcore claims that this model has many new updates and improvements. So let's take a look. Just to let you know, Soundcore did send these out to me before the launch to give me plenty of time to do this review, but I haven't been paid by them, nor do they tell me what to say in any way, just an honest review. Taking a look around these headphones, they are made from a really nice high quality plastic with a metal headband. These don't feel super premium like the Bose QC35s, but they definitely punch well above its price point and you definitely won't be disappointed. These are really well built and trust me, I have thrown these around quite a bit. Now, they are a little bit on the larger side and these are a little bit bulkier than sort of other headphones, but it's all down to personal taste, because for me, I like the look of them, but I also like it to have been a little bit smaller. For example, if you're comparing these to the Sony CH710Ns, then obviously these are going to be about 10 to 20% larger than those. The top has this really nice soft foam, which rested really nice on top of my head, and the band itself is adjustable. It also twists and folds, making it really easy to store away and can be stored in this semi-hard shell case, which feels really secure. The cups are super nice and soft, and honestly, even after 6 hours of continuously having these on, it wasn't uncomfortable whatsoever. Now, I will get into noise cancelling tests later on in this video because it is really interesting. Just to let you know, these connect to your devices like pretty much any headphone through Bluetooth 5.0, and the sound quality as well is fantastic thanks to its new 40mm silk diaphragm drivers. These are also high-res audio certified, and you can tune the sound profile exactly the way you want thanks to the Soundcore app. The Soundcore app has several functions which make these headphones work just the way you want them. So we're in the Soundcore application, and as you can see, we've got our Life Q30s as well as the battery just over here. We've also got ambient sound, an equalizer, as well as sleep mode. So let's quickly go through some of the options that you have in the Soundcore application. So if we go into ambient sound, this is where we can change the noise cancellation, transparency mode, and normal. With noise cancellation, it goes even one step further, and we've got 3 different modes depending on our surroundings. So transport, indoor, and outdoor. If we go back and we go into equalizer, here we've got custom and default. So let's go into default, my favorite being flat. And then if you can see, you've got a whole load of presets for the equalization. And if those still aren't good enough for you, go into custom and basically make your own and save it. Really nice. And then we've also got sleep mode, which basically just plays a bunch of sounds so that let's say you're in an aeroplane and you need to get some Z's, then just select the sounds you want and then press play and you're all good. I think that every pair of headphones should have an application like this. Controlling the headphones is really easy. On the left side, you've got a power button and an NC button, which you can just click through to change noise cancelling modes on the fly. You can also change the volume and next and previous track using the plus and minus buttons on the right side of the headphone. And there's also a dedicated button for play and pause. And if you want, you can hold down the play and pause button to activate your voice assistant. All these buttons, just let you know, are super tactile, and it's really easy to tell the buttons apart, especially when you're trying to do it on the fly. Now let's get into the different modes and how it handles. I'm going to try and do my best to show you the different modes so you get a very good idea before obviously you go out and buy these.
Normal. Transparency. Noise cancelling.
So as you can see, the different modes work really well, and I was really impressed, as I hope you were too. Just like any other Soundcore product, the battery life is fantastic. The official numbers from Soundcore say that these offer up to 40 hours of playback with NC on and up to 60 hours with NC off, which I would say is about right. And if you charge these headphones with the USB-C port for just 5 minutes, you get 4 hours of playback, which is just crazy, meaning that you won't really ever be left without any power when you need them. To fully charge these headphones, it took just under 3 hours for me. These also include a couple of microphones so that you can use these for things like phone calls, and they worked really well, so you should be fine if you're on the move trying to take a few phone calls. So do I recommend these headphones? I think for the price of these, they are hard to beat. Soundcore have really taken the advice from the previous model of these and have made it almost unbeatable for the money. These definitely punch above its price point for sure. There isn't really any down points to these headphones. They sound great, the battery life is fantastic, and it has all the app control you could ever want. The only thing I can think that I wish it had was the dual connectivity, but again, I really can't complain at this price point. Honestly, if you want a great pair of good sounding NC and ambient noise cancelling over-ear headphones, then these are really the ones to get. But there we have it. As always, this is a discussion, so please leave a comment down below and check out the links down in the description to support the channel. If you haven't already, follow me on Twitter and Instagram at TechCarMoon. Drop me a like on this video if you've enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from me. Also, if you want to watch more from me, then click one of these two videos. I mean, both of them are fantastic and definitely worth watching. Anyway, everyone, look after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.